Join us at Venture Window as we teach you how to replace your windows. First, make sure you have your tools at the ready and verify that the new window is slightly smaller than the old window. Next, remove the interior stops and save them for later. Then, remove the bottom sash first and then the top sash. If the old window includes interior tracks, remove them completely. Next, clean the opening. This helps prevent any sealing issues. After that, apply caulk to the bottom and sides of the opening. If a sill angle is required for your window, install it now. Once that's done, carefully place and tilt the new window into position. Always make sure to check that the window sits plumb and level before carefully securing it in place. To make sure the frame is square, you can check the daylight opening of the bottom sash where the sash meets the frame. Next, be sure to insulate all voids with fiberglass insulation to ensure maximum energy efficiency and stop drafts. Next, adjust the jam screws until the spacing around the sash is even. After that, reinstall the trim, seal the interior edges, put the interior stops back into place, and seal along the inside perimeter. Lastly, seal around the outside edges. This helps protect the home from weather exposure throughout the year. After that, your window replacement is complete. For more information or to hire a professional, visit our website at venturewindow.com.